Okay, boys and girls, let's look at our anchor chart from today. So you'll see that I've added 3 pictures based on what you guys have sent me of what circles look like. So some people said it looks like a clock, a ball, and a sun. So today we're going to talk about our triangles. We learned that a triangle has 3 sides. Help me count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So look, I wrote that right here, 3 sides. We also learned that a triangle has 3 vertices. That's where the corners are. We've got 1, 2, 3. And I labeled that here, 3 vertices. So your job today is to find 3 triangles in your house or outside near your house and send them my way so I can add 3 more pictures to our anchor chart and have that ready for tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you guys find. Bye.